Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. It's Filomena More here from Italy. I used to make Italian videos, but today I want to share some extra motivation with girls all around the world. So keep watching if you wanna clean and decorate for spring my whole house. And if you're new here, don't forget to push that subscribe button and like the video if you like it. Let's get it started. Let's start cleaning my crystal living room table. I like it so much. It has this oval shape, as you can see, and I like the contrast with the velvet chair in this strong pink. I think they give a very glamorous touch to the room. I like mixing silver and gold, so for my centerpiece I decided to use this silver tray with a gold candle holder and some flowers. I think it's very chic and the spring comes into my house immediately. What a mess in my living room. My daughter leaves things around, and guess who has to clean? Me.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
One of my favorite things in the living room is definitely the coffee table. I'm gonna eliminate the dark colors and add some relaxing accessories. Don't forget to add some casters to your coffee table. These gorgeous ones are from Anthropologist in London. And that's the final results. I went for mint green, light blue, and of course a touch of shake gold. I really like the perfumers with puddles for the living room. I got this in Paris and it's from Chanel. I really like having carpets in my house. I have a couple of carpets in each room maybe, but it's not that easy to keep them clean. But with Dyson I'm very lucky because they are very clean all the time and every day. My table is made of wood, so to clean it I use a non-aggressive detergent with a rag and just some water. Let's bring some Easter in the kitchen with this bunny, a green bunny, and some pink flowers.
Hey you, I saw you from the distance. Hey you, can we talk? Hey you, I think you're my subsistence. Hey you, or am I wrong?
Oh boy, my sore point. The island of my kitchen is always messed up, especially now that my husband is working from home and my daughter is studying from home. So I just decided to invent this box, this school box, where I put her book inside.
Can you even hold me? Hey, baby, you are no more than a dream. Hey, you.
Finally, it's empty, and for it I use the same table cleaner and then add some fresh fruits.
Honest. Yeah, it's true. It's true. You're all I want. You're all I want. I lose my own sight. It's out of my mind. I'm not more than a dream. Even hold me. I'm wandering slowly.
Welcome to my studio. I love this room so much because I have several spaces in it where I can express my creativity, when I can relax but also have some fitness. If you want to see the complete tour, you can find it in my channel.
Hey, you, we could be more. Hey, you, honest. Yeah, it's true. It's true. You're all I want. You're all I want. I lose my own.
And oh yes, this is my relaxed space, and of course I also have a fireplace in it.
I'm more than a dream. Even hold me. I'm wandering slowly. That you are.
Oh, this is one of the things I had most to do, but which in the end gives an incredible sense of cleanliness.
Hey, you. Is this all you wanted? And hey, you. We could be more. Hey, you. If I'm being
We have a double sink, very important in families with two women. And I took it from IKEA and it works very good. We have a great time with it.
And now, I lose my own sight. My love is out of my mind. And you are not more than a dream. So wait, can you even hold me? Hey, oh hey. There you are, not more than a dream. Or am I wrong?
This space is only decorative with some of my perfumes, the ones that I don't use often because it's better not to keep them in the bathroom. It looks like we're done, and we are not. Floor and mirror are next. Let's bring the clean laundry upstairs and store in the closet. It's time to change the sheets and replace the duvet with a lighter one. We also want the springs come into the bedroom.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing.
My husband helps me with the duvet cover because I think that it's one of the most difficult things to do. What do you think?
I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie.
Yay, we have a winner at the end. It's me, of course. I really love this duvet because I think that these colors are perfect for spring.
Feels like I could break it any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you, so
Last but not least, in my daughter's room, I changed the sheets, but I washed her lighter duvet, so I'll use a plate for this time.
just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need.
And yes, we have a second house, the Barbies, obviously.
I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie.
Me and my family want to wish you Happy Easter, Buona Pasqua, and let me know below in the comment if you like this video, if you want more, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.